Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has promised that the Cybertruck will be able to traverse at least 100 meters, 330 feet, of water as a boat. But what happens after it covers that distance? Does it become a submarine? Musk was replying to a post showing a Leno's garage clip in which Tesla's vice president of vehicle engineering Lars Moravy told Leno that the vehicle almost floats. "Maybe you have to add a little bit of extra buoyancy just to keep it up," he added. So, even the company's own head of engineering seems to think that the Cybertruck is not quite seaworthy. But Musk is undeterred, and he's even come up with a name for the mod package that will allow the Cybertruck to transform into a boat, the Submarine Package. Of course, this is all just a joke, but it's a pretty funny one. Just imagine a Cybertruck sinking to the bottom of the ocean. It would be the perfect end to Elon Musk's latest publicity stunt. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.